In this video, I will show you how to connect a printer and change your printer headers. Awesome, so we'll go into settings here and we'll go into device. So I've already got my printer plugged in via USB, powered on with paper in it the right way. Cool, so we're going to device here and we're going to printer. So we can see that the previous printer was set up with an IP address. So we'll delete this and we'll start from scratch. So we'll delete that. Okay, cool. And then we'll go to this page here and we'll select the type of printer we're installing. So we've got a SAM4s 3-inch printer here. And let's just say this is our receipt printer. So I'll just go RP. All right. Now we can specify the connection type here. So it's going to be USB. And the device model here needs to be selected too. So it's a Giant 100. All right, open drawer after printing. So usually what we do is you can either connect your POS machine to your cash drawer or you can connect your printer to your cash drawer. Whatever you choose and whatever works best for you. Now, by default, it is set to 5. What I like to do is either set it to 1 or set it to 0. What that is, it's a little gap at the bottom of your receipt. Cool. So we'll turn that to 0, and now that's set up. Now, one other thing we have to do is go into device mapping. So we're going to device mapping here, we'll set up our printer. So we'll go new, and we'll name this RP as well. So that's going to be our receipt printer. We can select a device. It's going to, okay. Cool, that is all set up now as well. So now if we go and test here, we should be able to get a receipt. Awesome, so we're getting a little receipt printed like that, which is our test receipt. Now we need to change the header and the receipt footer, and if you were to choose a logo, put a logo on there as well. So let's go into receipt and message here. All right, we're going to click on receipt, and this is what our receipt default is set to. So here we can go and click and hold and move them around as we choose. We can double tap them to edit them. Okay, so we can change the address, we can change our GST number, and we can add logos and images onto that as well. All right, we can add little messages, we can add times, order numbers, and things like that onto there as well. Cool, so we can do a print test. And that was our receipt. We can change that accordingly to however you like to choose.